I had other jobs, and I wasn't good at them, frankly. So when I was thinking about what do I actually want to do with my life, and I've always loved construction, I've always loved building things. It's what I grew up doing. My wife and I started the charity called Sunshine on a Rainy Day. That was growing into something big, and it was awesome. But at the same time, I still had a yearning and wanting to do something different. So I knew that in a new venture that I needed to have a business partner that could help build the business.
My dad was an entrepreneur. I saw him growing up being an entrepreneur, and I always wanted to do that. The chance to work with Peter and start our own company was very appealing to me. So Peter and I met playing softball. My wife and I moved to Roswell. So both of us having a sports background, we're very competitive in what we do. And that's translated into our business. I want to be the best. I mean, I want our team to be the best. I want to be the best. I want to win.
Right,
and that's what it comes down to.
We want the best company.
Right. So if there's ever anything that's not the best in our company, I want to find that and make it better. I think for us it's very important to understand how a client uses their home so we can give them the best solution that works for them. From a design build aspect, we can build things and make them pretty and nice, but does it work for that homeowner and make it better for their life?
What we're designing and what the solutions that we're actually providing for the client are much different. Because in a build-only concept, traditionally the client or a designer or architect are bringing solutions, and they may or may not truly fit the client. In a design build, it's a really holistic approach where we are actually trying to drill down on the problems that the client is trying to solve and address.
When I came to Ranney and Blair, I had something specific in my mind that I was looking for, and what he came up with was amazing. Like it was so much better than what I had in my brain.
It really doesn't matter how much a project is or how beautiful it is. If it doesn't solve the actual problem, it is basically all a waste of money.
We want our customers to come to us so they don't have to go all over town. So our customers are very busy, they're working, they have kids. So to make that easier for them to go through what can be a long process in design and build, and to take some of that burden off of them.
It's really important for us to achieve and surpass the level of professionalism even a client would expect of us, because we're in their house, right? We're in their personal space, their personal items, right? Their things are out, right? So it's really important for the clients to have a high level of trust with us and together so that we can achieve the best project. I think that as sports people, right, we grew up playing sports, we enjoy watching sports. I participated in I think he did too, mostly in team sports. So there's an individual component where you need to be good as an individual, but there's a bigger goal as a team. So you're trying to achieve a bigger thing, and I think that translates to the clients, because as competitors, it's like we want to create the best thing possible. So it's having the best team members and the best experience and the best process. And the idea is through that, our client wins.
Design for living. No for life.